What's up, you guys? Now, I know I said in my previous video that I wasn't going to do any what's in my bag videos like that anymore, but I figured I might as well end off the new year just by giving y'all one more video like this. And then for the new year, I'm going to roll out different kind of content.
Before we get into this video, I wanted to briefly share with you this gift that I received from Rose Forever. Rose Forever gifted me this beautiful bouquet of lilac roses encased in this lovely storage box. It features 16 lilac roses that were created through a natural process of pigmentation. Natural oils are used to preserve the roses. This particular piece can be used as decoration as well as storage. Right now I'm showing you different ways that you could use it. Right now, through the entire month of December, Rose Forever is having a huge Christmas sale. If you use my code MARI25, you'll receive an additional $25 off your purchase. I'll leave the link to this particular item in the description box. And thank you to Rose Forever for gifting me this beautiful bouquet. Now, back to the video.
So today's video is going to be on this bag right here. Now this bag has been on my wish list for quite some time. Now what caught my eye about this bag is just I like the material, I like the two-toneness of the bag. And of course I love the tote bag in general. And I love that the material gives it a more chill and relaxed feel to it in comparison to the leather. Now, initially when I was looking for the Jacquard bag, I was looking for the light one where it was reversed, where it was light on the inside and then had the black trim. However, I was doing a lot of research. The canvas ones and the lighter color ones experience a lot of discoloration, and I just didn't want to risk that, and then it ends up getting stained with like your jeans or whatever, and then now I have all this money that I put into this bag and I ain't gonna want to wear it because it has denim stains on it. So I decided to opt for the black one, and this one has not disappointed. Now with the Jacquard, I was told by the sales associate when I was looking into this bag that this is a more sturdier material than the canvas, and since I've had this bag, which has been about probably over 6 months since I've had this bag, it has been very sturdy. I've been wearing it for the fall and it has not disappointed at all. It's very durable. It's a very thick material. I've worn this bag in the rain. I've worn it in the snow, like downpour snow, where to the point where it was melting on the bag, and it's still in excellent condition. There aren't any stains on it. It does attract a little bit of lint, but I have been able to remove the lint because I do have a lint roller, and I'm just going to show you what the bag looks like. So this is the back of the bag. Nice, clean, sleek appearance. I just love this bag so much. It also comes with this crossbody strap. I really like this strap. The strap is very thick and durable in comparison to the leather bag. The leather bag comes with a thinner strap, so I like that this one comes with a thicker strap, which makes it also very much more comfortable to wear as well. I love this bag. This bag is a 10 out of 10. It also comes in other colors now. I've seen it in the red. I was also eyeing that red, but I don't wear red like that, so I'm like, I'm not gonna get that red. But the red is beautiful. So yeah, I definitely would recommend this bag. I don't regret this purchase at all. And without further ado, let's get into this video.
stop playing with them right. Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. If you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass. Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. If you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass. And I just fell in love with a gangster, like, so he put my name in the top. But I don't let him come to the crib, so we get it on where we at. Nowadays I be ducking them cameras, and they hype that I'm up on them banners. Calling my phone, but they know I don't answer. In the hood, I'm like Princess Diana. I'm thick cause I be eating oat. Bitch not taking shit from me, but notes. Wanna be me, so she do my emotes and my name in her mouth, so I bet she gon' choke. Tell her, man, I'm the girl of his dreams. Think about me when he brushing his teeth. He keep texting, I leave him on scene. Hottest bitch out and they know what I mean. Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. If you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass. Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. If you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass. Looking at me like who bigger than she. I'm the one who they wishing to be. Taking my time cause I don't wanna bathe. You making a plate, then I already ate. I work a fly and go chill in Tulum. Turn her heads when I walk in the room. I know he want me, his bitch is a lame, and she making a year what I spend on the team. Making it rain, doing my thing, and I'm young, still getting money. My pockets is chubby, nothing was the same. Taking your boo, making it move. Like flexing on niggas, them bitches addicted. Feeling for me how they usually do. Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. If you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass. Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. If you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass.